Here's a 2018 Ford Transit passenger wagon. Its impressive maneuverability, versatility, and unique cargo capability will serve your passengers well. It comes with all the amenities you need: 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, AM/FM stereo radio, auxiliary audio input, power front windows, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, and V6 engine. AutoWeek observes it's bigger than it appears. It feels like an E-Series could nearly fit in the back. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.